I've got to turn off fan on. Don't go to the candle. Go back and don't do that sleep. But myself, cannot myself. That make calculations. That this one. Things we have no control over. Now worry yourself over it. What does this look like to me? I already spoke. What can I say about that? Anyway, today, story time is about the careless driver them with the on the road of Belize. Now my eye upset cause guess what? Accident are the leading way of people dying right now in Belize. Accident, bike and car. You can imagine a truck man I try overtake a bus, a car I try overtake a big truck. The big long truck them. The big truck them were long. Come on no man people. Do better than that. I say, my husband got a donkey over there. No, you got a car first. A 2-time husband have to come off of the road. To turn the vehicle and come off of the road. Else me a dead bird and him a dead bird. And 2 other little girls in the vehicle. So I throw away dead bird. My aunt goes up. The big truck a come. I want car come round the truck. Head down in our vehicle. Head down. The devil is a liar. Because the kill, steal and destroy. You want to take better the picture. For no reason at all. Right now, when me have a good life of Father God. When me got dance, you never want to do nothing. Them time, you know, me, there are some people there. And when I come to Belize, I do this. I'm from Sunday, my son. I'm the only girl that go around people, when they do what they do. And like ours, I type of person where I look down for people, but I'm still more of an observant than I talk. Put the piece up on 2 minutes. Bumble car, this crispy fuck. Okay. Okay. I like this. These are tough. Some people normally that talk some things. I'm just laugh. Nobody can control me. Nobody. Because my mother. Now try to beat me, control me. That's why don't try to control my people them. And talk to them. I sit down, I kiss them and talk to them. Let them know life is about choices. It's not like when you're young and when you reach a certain age, you have to look hands out from people. When I'm in my 30s, I'm constantly. I never do too much when I'm young, and I never miss out nothing. The first watch people life. I watch people life. Then I make a choice. I always want to get married. I'm going to know myself. But I have a reason. My husband talk, right? My husband said, the man the mama take, that is a sorry for him. Like, I tell him it's a more of a trauma bonding. I use what me go through. So I have empathy for them. So me will love them, but them not love me. And then when me see it, I want to leave, you're the bad person. I mean, but you don't love me. You want me to stay with you for? You want me to stay around you for? That doesn't make any sense to me. They're good friends. They don't like me, but they don't want me to go away. Because their own friends who hype on me. They have the latest clothes, the latest hairstyle. I mean, I never grew up in a rich family. And my son and father benickle me. I hype on me and tell me, say, if it's not for me, you're not nobody. That's why when my sister into rich people, I try to reach out to them. And I know you can emotionally fuck with you. You know how it feel. Understand me? You know how it feel. And one thing I never do is put out somebody that I call. No. Because there's somebody there around me, I get her a job. I make sure me to get it. You know what you job, you know? Me a little job. And make somehow she can pay $100 a week so that she have a roof over her head. My house can accommodate me, my husband, and other people. I'm not going to come like I'm rich. I'm rich in love, but naturally I'm a papa. I'm not a papa. But my point is, I'm not going to come and pretend. Bills are kill with. And the blood of Jesus cover with. Sometimes the money we'll get is just enough to pay bills. Right now, see that I come down to the end of the month. A big man thing. Nervous. Because my husband gonna get $700 this week. This fortnight coming. My rent is $600. And baby mother forget 2 bills out of it. The loan $227. That's $700. So check that. There's a $427 gone already. And $600 for the rent. So sometimes people see you, them judge. You understand me? And them not try to take into consideration how it affects you. And the thing about it is, in baby mother never have to go family court. She never have to go. Him have a mother who willing for in the baby life. To, even if she not send money for we, she'll make sure say the baby get a lot of money. The whole of that summer holiday I don't her mother she did. And the way baby mother was wicked and horrible, she go back for the baby. She couldn't make the baby spend out the summer holiday and be happy because of such a stay. If the baby they run we and she realized that the baby happy, she call the baby. Oh my God, the house is empty without you, Eben. Eben, I miss you. As some as she perform, you know. When you're not coming home, Eben, me miss. And the baby will be here so nice. And then after that, oh, I want to go home. When I bring her home, she start calling me a boss, she want to come back. That's confusion. Hold on, then I can come back to you, man. I say I'm not even. You don't tell me so I'm not put on no pretty clothes. My husband asked me if I go take off the soft from my head and put on my eyelash and do my face. I say, listen, the people on my YouTube know say me is not the type of person who even give a jack shit. Today me dress up, I look like a hot girl, and tomorrow I look like a half and 2 blood clot. My YouTube family know me. Them know me. Them know me and know say me not try for fake nothing. Me not try for, you know, pretend and put on a show. Me just be me, you know. Me no filter out nothing. Me no try to set the video, edit it. Me no do none of that. Them just know say this is your girl T-Mark and that's it. Yeah. So I'm not really the type of person who come on YouTube and try to cap me. Even when me people say me I like not this a girl here. No. I made that a true my son call me a while ago from the States. Call me, I just beg him I could change, you know. He say, man, pressure your pocket, man. Him just come a while ago and him there at work. The work get busy, so you know that go. Yeah, as me I talk first before it the call come in, drivers on the road of Belize, please take time and drive. Me I beg you know, do take time and drive. The senseless driving. Listen, you can't have someone for go 10 o'clock and you get up 9:45 and expect to say you're going to reach in a 15 minutes time. No, the road is not for you alone. You understand me? The road is not for you alone. So you need to get up out of bed early. My grandmother always tell me say, to be on time, you have to be before time. Hey, what is bees up there? Look how much bees sting me. Jesus. To be on time, you have to be before time. So you can't expect say you have someone for go 10 o'clock and you want to get up 9:30, 9:45. That don't make no sense. That can't make sense. Because now you're going to try skip 40 people in one line and you're putting your life at risk and also somebody else's life. Because genuinely, I never want dead with you. Me no want dead with you. So if you want to kill yourself, go ahead. But why is it that you have to want to bring me with you? I see two mango. Mango tree clean up. Yeah, I see two little mango. They're not really so 100%, you know. But them can go on. I look about the right so. Let's cut it out. Yeah. Then in my yard. It don't make no sense to me. It just don't make no sense. It don't make no sense at all. You understand me? You go tell me, say, you know I will get up out of your bed at a specific time where you have to rush, a drive, a skip run, choke them. They choke them so long, like, me genuinely look on them and say, yo, them people are brave. Bike man, the same thing. The bike man, them see two car come and them a try slip between two car them. Boom! One of them touch your bike, you flick over and the air, the whole of the bike mash up. You get some part of your broke up, the whole of your chip up. Come on now, man, people, man. You have to be responsible for your life and also for other occupants on the road. You may tell us 3 times what I'm giving you something what I'm just recently. Why they may come from city, right? So I reach up in a Ladyville and I reach near to my turning coming in my yard. You know, say there's a bump where you have to go over. You know, say one man, if I drink him a drink or what happened, the man come round, come out of the lane, come out of film lane, you know, which is me and him then I see him lane, you know. So me put on my indicator for turn come in and the man come out about 3-4 car behind me him a come from and spin a overtake all of them car there and nearly blam up in my van back. I see the car head and I just go and press gas and come in fast and I saw him fly go, nearly go in on one next car. Then when me jump out of my vehicle, come out of the way, right, come in off of the road, jump out of my vehicle, I look, me see the man I go, figure blam up in our next car. My husband I say it look like him junk. Come on now, people life will not play with. You get me? People life and that is not right. You drive, stop, drink enough where you can't control yourself on the road. Same thing when them got Buccaneers. Every time weekend come, just know somebody run over the local balcony where they pan when they go U-Mall. Somebody a run off on it. You can't they are bar and say drink, brother. What you expect a you drive? You go kill somebody just like how them kill the policeman. You understand me? Now, what I got happen? Even if them get money, same family them get money, it still not bring back him life. And that's why me I talk about it because me see it out for him to me more than one time. Come on now, man. People have to do better on the streets, man. Please, do better. If you not gonna drink, get somebody who not. I don't drink. I cannot drink. I used to try it and it gave me migraine. So I wake up, When I wake up and I drink, my head just like something I go so in it. And it unbearable. Sometimes I take pills and it kind of feel look a bit better, but and I can't deal with that. You saw me find out said that's what drinking do me. My choice is to leave drinking alone. That's why I tell people somebody can't lead me go down the wrong road. Because if I see it, and me go tell myself say nothing, me go look. You saw me look and see how deep it is, me nah bother go. I'm gonna tell you something me not work with nothing permanent. So you see me now, it's like when I put on a tattoo, the tattoo can be covered. You see me see people have a tattoo up on them neck and on them face, that's a permanent mark that can't come out. So me no temporary feelings do not lead me to make permanent decision. That's not me. Anything what me do, me plan to stay with that for life. Me know me and my husband can't fucking left. There's no left in that marriage now. We're gonna have to fucking fix this. Whatever the situation may be, which is I don't lead myself in a situation where it is so unbearable, I can't go back and I can't look in them face. No. You see cheating is for coward. You see people fucky and run up and down, them are coward. Them can't stand up and looking at the mirror. The moment you can do that, you can control yourself, self-control. That's why I'm talk about this, the drinking. Something make you drink extremely more than the ordinary. Whatever it is, seek counseling. Try to talk to somebody about it. Because drinking it, now go hide it, now go put it away. It only can make it cover up underneath deep and you have to drink. And that's when you start to hurt yourself. Kidney problem, bladder problem, and sometimes brains problem. So we all have to look into this and check this out. There is something bothering you, get somebody to talk to. Look somebody to talk to, man. Trust me. Out your heart. You get me? Because it don't make no sense. You hurt yourself and not gonna hurt other people in the process. Me don't want to get hurt with you. So why you feel like me want to come with you? You get me? I say one time, in a one year, about 5 souls up there on the tree. 5 of them. So they treat them there. So what's up for days? That's what's up there now. Come out of the sun, man. The sun too hot. Yeah. The sun hot a while ago, I swear. I couldn't sit down over there, so. Yeah. So as I may say, easier for the drinking and the driving. You put other people's life at risk. And you hurt other people and you kill other people when you drink and dip on the road and drive and swing the car and overtake too much vehicle. And the bike man them, I still have to talk about. Oh no. You ever see a bike on a stretcher yet? Tell me now, this go for the bike man them. That's why I tell my husband, watch what you do in the streets. Because when you get liquor for the bike there, the bike will go in one garage and your body are going to hospital. So, the run joke a bike no me have no coverage for you. When a bike goes a lick, you fly. Sometimes somebody will touch the bike. Morning neighbor. Sexy body brown the neighbor. Yeah, good body. My good body tell you Spanish neighbor. Mama. Yeah, when a bike touch, when they touch at the front or the back, you fly gone over so. Broke up sometime and fly gone in a one vehicle head on. I get dead. So the bike man them please. I'm soon do it over and over. I never want overtake and go around people. I in the wrong lane. You ever want in the wrong lane. Only do it. You always want in the wrong lane. And try swift past people. Run stoplight. Then I get on yourself broke up. Uno I go get on yourself mash up. Me, now look. But when I drive, nobody look up in my vehicle. When I ride, do not look up in my vehicle. I beg. I beg. Come on, the money for you, know. Get me? Yeah. Put my ear. Fuck. Jesus Christ, I'm going to flat time. My two side. The thing about it, it's so pierced on it now come off. The well. Look at so pierced down. But if you comb her out, look. That's how I love about human ear. See there? Look. This is what I love about human ear. You can use the hand and fix her. Yeah, man. So pedestrian walk safe. And the next thing we want to talk about the people them. Why Belizean people not like walk on sidewalk? The sidewalk can go there, sir, and Belizean people walk in at the road. Who does that? And guess what? The truck and the bus and the bike and everything are going to lick no blood clot, go east, west, north and south. And also the bicycle people them. Jesus Christ. The people who ride the bicycle. Eh? Who not ride the bicycle in the middle of the road. Who not see a pedestrian crossing and not rush up on a pedestrian crossing. One thing I got happen. One thing really I got happen. Hey. Boy, I'm not like someone no value on life. This is what I see. This is what I know. That's why I talk. You see me? If me not have to come out of my yard, me not come out of my yard. Believe me as me tell you. If me not have to come out of my yard, me not come out. I live in a Belize and I try my best to just stay. Cut as in a Jamaica we say cut pan crooked and walk blood clot straight. Cause me not have a spare tire life somewhere, you know. No. So you see me? When I run joke. See? Tell you no. That's the beauty of wearing human ear than synthetic ear. Human ear you can usually hand and comb it out while you talk. See? Yeah. See? Look. You have breath. What am I for worry about? Many things you can do without anything I want. Judge make it sort out. Yeah, man. Not real life. That's why my husband love me in a car. Me not the type of person where every Friday night, every Saturday night, every Sunday night, me have to be in a one club. I see woman I got a family court and every weekend them they are buccaneers. Me have to just open them and shit with that. I say fuck. And then the kids them is so dirty. Them not believe in a clean house. Them not believe in a having stability. You say party, fuck. Every pan and knock, shisha full. Thursday full. Buccaneers full. But go on them yard. Fuck. So I can't say that a blood clot problem in a Belize again. People them say me always a come cause corruption. Like the last time I talk about them. And I talk about Jamaican too, because Jamaican, one girl love over Jamaica, she live for me. She said she give me 40 days and 40 nights. So she gone 2 weeks and 14 days, so she still have 14 and 14 and 48. That's all. 28, sorry. 28, more than 48 come fast. So she have got 32 more days. She have 14. She have got whole 8 more days. She has stay over there mad. Cause she had the media tell her lie on herself. So she sell pussy. Me never sell pussy, mama. Listen, pussy sell in different ways. Cause when a man and woman married, right? And them divorce, the man have to pay spousal money, you know. Yeah. So him still a pay for the pussy and the man are left. When a man and woman together, right, and him work and bring in all of the money come give her, what does she give him in return? Pussy. You see, out of everything thing a man desire. Otherwise, from a batty man, a pussy. Pussy make man dead. Pussy make man kill. Pussy make man go foreign. Pussy make man go prison. We change the topic now. So, when I say sell pussy, me I wonder what you mean. Is it that you go up on the road at night time? Or you sell pussy? Because me personally, me not even know how, like, how to put it as. Because one time, I have a friend who do it, you know, I have a friend, a girl, I meet her in a prison. I tell her my son at Fort Augustus prison, and I meet her there. Anyways, I meet her there and she do prostitutional work. And one day I ask her how the conversation strike up. Is it that you go to the man and say, me I sell you some pussy, $500 broke, $2,000 broke. Me they just interested to find out how the conversation come about. She get vexed with me. Say, me a this her. Me say, oh, me a this here. Me just want to know, like, cause me know from know myself, a man always like say, like you. When them tell me say them like me, them offer me to bring me out, and then bring me out and we buy food, we exchange number. That's the first time we meet, and that's how I have been living my life. When my husband see me and tell me say him like me, you know, he asked me for my number, and from there go on. But my husband work and take care of me. Every man I take work and take care of me. Me know if that is selling pussy in some what. I'm just saying, like, if I suckers to me, every woman sell pussy. Some just sell it wholesale. Retail. That is factual. You understand me? And you can't live your life every day just fuck, you talk about fuck and fuck. Life come with more than that, you know. Trust me. You see me right now, I'm glad I've always been the type who like, alright. I love to be in love. Yeah, that type of woman there. From a small, when I'm much younger, because I never grew up with a nuclear family. I always wish me to get married and have kids with my husband, and my husband had the kids at school, and that was just always been my wish. Just unfortunately, when me young, it never come true, because fuck man, I get some wicked blood clot Jamaican man. Them say Jamaican woman wicked. Me but up on the wickedest set of man them. Me don't know them evil. My son and father evil. That's when people on the outside who have to talk, they're like, "Who don't live with me? Who don't know what this man do me? I don't want to come steal because yo him can." Me teach you something about Jamaican people. Them can put on a show without a script. Just put the camera there and that's them naturally. So my son father always make it seem as if everything was alright even when me and him live. I remember one time when I'm friend dead and the man come from foreign and found the night and him buy much case liquor, rum, everything. I'm a broke like dog. Me not have no money and him go tell me something for wait till tomorrow. So I say, me if we wait till tomorrow while I give them the money, me not understand that I him dead and gone. And him vex because I start talk. And him beat me because of it. I did get a whipping. Yeah. Yeah, man. I saw them man they get to work. I remember one time I go in him car and see one picture with one baby when him get. The girl give him a picture of the baby. I see one pretty little girl. And I get beat because me go in the car and see the picture. Yeah, man. That man they give me beating for lunch, breakfast, and dinner. My son just come a while ago, you know. And I tell him, say, somebody has said to me, say, if them hear from them father. And I tell him, say, my son not classify nobody right now. My son genuinely not talk to nobody. You know what? Him say the same energy where them they have when time him down for them face, me and him a struggle, them for us keep that energy there. Yeah, so man, me don't want to hear from nobody. Me genuinely don't want to hear from them. People who usually treat me away and deal with it away, but don't want to hear from them. Me genuinely don't want to hear from them. You get me? So right now, him at a pace, so I'm making money and him things are go up. Come I say, "Hey, look a piece of food, man." Just so I a piece of food, man. And I say, man, just want to pay off my bills them. I'ma send if everyone bills come, which is I know, say I'm gonna send it. Cause me know that's him call me, you know, cause me not talk to him from week. I two job him do same day morning job now. And I know say man send me a little piece of food. You get me? So the point is, as a woman, you have to know your worth, you have to know your values. And woman, yo, for this social media, I'm gonna stop tell lie and do some things on the media. Cause me see RT boss a robot somebody. The person they say she about me. I say big RT boss a robot wrote. Till I say I first pick me a batty man and I pussy curse and I say, fuck. That's why I'm gonna go on TikTok. Cause when you can make RT boss come by you, that's a one different level of disrespect. Cause RT boss, he might go carry you down. That's how when I get the video them and them send the video them, I tell them stop sending them. When I get them, I tell them stop sending the video. People don't know what is going on, but I can tell you this. Genuinely, I will never ever wish nobody no harm. I'm not care down nobody. I sincerely didn't say anything bad about the person. Same as though I didn't say anything bad about Belizean people. All I did was explain what I've been through, and I explained the difference between Belizean and Jamaican women them. And I explained it to say if 4 million people there at Jamaica, 3.7 million people, nearly 4 million people there at Jamaica. Which way you think I go generate money faster? It have to be Jamaica because there's just more population of people. 400 people there, so 400,000 people and are 500,000. That is half a million, right? Now, if you sell a mango, half a million people buy it, but 3.7 million people buy it. The ratio of this can't compare to that. Because you're talking about millions, you're talking about 100. So them not see the matter, understand what I say. You get me? I say there's a population broader in a Jamaica, so them are gonna generate more money. Plus in them move, the people that move like this. Cartel saying a president turn a billionaire, millionaire. Cartel a charge 1.8 mil US for one concert. How much concert him sold out from what year? Buju Banton. Which Belizean artist reach panel level there? So that's the point that me I try to show now and take it personally and she bring down the country. Uno don't know what is bring down. Uno don't know what is bring down. I live here. I like it here, so it's peaceful. A gunshot put me to bed at night time and gunshot wake me up. Then I hear my husband I come up, right? Me give a lady one drop up. Me see her up on the roadside. And I always pick up people when I come home. And me I explain to her, say, which one they live at Trenchtown. Me live on upstairs like that. And you know say, one youth him better whatever, I don't remember him, him dead a couple of years now. I think him dead 2018 or 2019 if me not lie. Cause him dead before me go to Antigua. So it can be late 2018 them kill him. Them always a hustle and beg and them little thing there, you know. Walk on boss be a 50 now. Walk on my boss be a 50 now. Now, when him do that, people know him better than him, better, something like that. That's why I remember his name. Bad. Anyways, now some guy come for do kill him and one next youth. And I'm literally friend him and carry him go drink liquor. And I try use him to get to the next guy. But the next guy, they kind of suspects or something in or something. So the night when them did for come back with the guy, them for come meet the next guy, drop off I think some weed or some gun thing. I don't know about that. Something I'm supposed to drop off and the man never show up. I'm going to stand up upstairs and watch all them flipping blood clot six. You hear me tell you? I mean I tell you say, him pants the and them body. So him drunk and like the boy thump him in him face and like him You know, and the rustling happened and the boy walk off and him a run for go catch back the boy and the way him pants underneath him body and him drunk, him drop on him face and one of them just come over and shoot him in him head. I'm there upstairs and watch it. And them a tell me, I tell me something, say everything. Those are traumatizing experience. Me no wish that upon nobody. You understand me? That's how Trenchtown is. Trenchtown is a small garden of bitter weed. There's some bitter people down there. So I remember one time again another incident again. I remember one time my daughter and this lady she sell. But she's two plum. She always say the seller lady there. I'm selling at the rain, I'm selling at the sun, I'm selling at the and one of she just full of vibes. I remember she and my daughter, the whole I was like good. And my daughter usually go up her yard. I think one time my daughter ended up sleep up her yard with her daughter. Because they're my friend and so. And you know, because them live nearby, it wasn't, and our daughter was a good girl. When me know if I can't speak any illness against nobody kids, whatever she do, that's her doing. But I can say them quiet, humble, and so forth. No, people just see them sneaking. That's not my business, and that you would never hear me pass assumptions against somebody else's kids. They may do it to mine, and I will never pass assumptions against other people on the media. I just simply said them do them thing. For them thing and for them thing and them dip on the media I crash out and people come in my comment section I think what I talk about and me like 40 days and 40 nights step on my name and I never hear no now until I say yo you can't easy but if me try explain myself you say me I live fan or me I give them recognition but anyway back to the story and when they upstairs I'm asleep in my house you know I'm hear somebody like them I say blood clot, your mama can go dash your belly. Rare, fuck like dog. No, at the time my child was only 12 years old. And the woman a full blown cuss my daughter dog rotten. Oh, she fuck out and the dash the mama can go dash your belly. And I'm like, I'm asleep and I say, what cause? So much about them, I said, Darren and Tina, them the downstairs. I said, Darren and Tina. And them say, yes, mommy. And I say, one there. And them say, what downstairs? And I say, one downstairs. That do. Same time, Darren say, the lady name, they want to call her name because I can't take them more body palm up on the media. Like she say, yeah, Ara cuss me. And I say, my dash a belly. And me a secret fuck on him. Something. And me like, what? So I come downstairs and me hear the woman I cuss it through. Me now lie to no friend, family. I deep up underneath her blood clot for my daughter. You want me say first thing my daughter on a size? And me and you talk, so you tell me, say we live in the same community, my daughter come up at your yard, to your daughter, my daughter have a problem, and you're telling me that you could come to me as, I go say how much me go pick up for my daughter, I say, you have nothing to do with pick up, but the right thing to do, would you like me to do that to your child? Come on now, she say, oh, my daughter, I go name off my ears. I say, what your daughter them I go do? This is what I understand the people. They want to do things to you that they're doing to you that they don't want you to do back to them. Make that make sense? The lady I come down and my angler up back. I say, big fuck out dirty old woman. Eh? You trust me that like my daughter your size. My daughter never take no man for you. What the fuck would you be doing that? So you expect me to have respect to you? You don't disrespect my child like that, brother. I expect to say, okay. No, you diss my daughter in front of my face, me I diss you back in front of your face. Yeah, man, right? They say they are so Jamaica make it aggressive. That is the reason why Jamaica is nice. You have to have money for steering the rich people, them and the quiet. Just like how me live in a quiet area, you have to have millions to live by them. They say go there run dirty people. You go there in vagabond. You go there with their own Jezebels. Yeah. If you not have money at Jamaica. So me just couldn't contain the lifestyle no more. My children them get big, so me just choose to move away from that. You understand me? But most people don't understand. Me can't tell anybody this. It's anything me do in my life, me choose to do it. I never ever see myself as a type of person when if you do certain things. People stigmatize me become a par with certain people. Cause the other day when my friend called me and she say, somebody I tell her, I say, oh my bad I'm this and that, and she tell the person, I say, you know, so Tamara help me go school, like she give me money, she have always influenced me good and so forth. So she said she turned the person, in what way she bad? Explain. Like them I say, oh she change man often. So she said no, but she was with my cousin for 2 years. And she never cheat on him. Me never see she go never. She just lock up in the house. She cook. If she work, she go on the radio station, she go work and come back. So me no know what I talk about because, and it's not because they have a proof of me doing anything, you know. It's because of the people them want me surround myself in. Because before me surround myself with them, nobody had anything bad to say about me. But you know what them say? Bird a feather flap together. So if you're not, a police can't say a group of thief or a group of gunman and know who for art good when not gonna do certain things. So that's why I take full responsibility and say, am I fault me too enough? If me just go out down a Rima, go to my family, I'm staying at my family my yard, nobody could call me name on the media. So I take full responsibility for every disrespect when I get. It was me were too enough. Them did act and them ever act and them out in the street and them hairstyle this. I was just a girl without a father. And I never did know how to actually understand. Because you see self-esteem, low self-esteem, it is real. Many people are talk about mental illness. Shut the fuck up, because you don't have mental problem. All in the family mad, and them the pan TikTok and sing and them mad out. So the mental illness running down the bloodline. Anyways, when you weaken on the mental state, when you say one something and you do a total different thing, and you counteract on yourself. So let me tell you something. I don't know how people take advice and damage people. People can speak highly. People can speak all intelligent because sometimes people can cap. But look on them lifestyle. Look how they live their life. Then you can say, because one can say anything, but what them do is more louder than what them say. Me not have to cap my lifestyle. You have days of me broke and hungry bad. And a tin of mackerel me and my husband eat. My husband is not the type of person who are very loud and aggressive, so you don't get that out of me. You understand me? Me not lie to you. Me can't come on my finger how much time I ever get upset in a way where even my voice will raise. In the past 3 times. My husband is a very humble man. So he brings out the soft part of me, the demure part, the loving part, the part where me have to fight hard for not allow people to destroy. Yeah, my husband bring that out. Me a girl sit down and clip my husband fingernail, clip him toenail, do all of the above. Because he bring that like a girly side out in me. You know that like a girly something there? Yeah, him do that. It make me be me. It make me feel pretty. Yeah, that's what a good man do. He compliments me. He tells me he loves me. Sometimes he just comes to baby, I love you, you know. That is, yeah, that type of man that I'm married to. You get me? When I tell my husband rub on my foot, my husband, I just small things them count. Him not rich have whole heap of money, but let me tell you something. That man is rich in love. Me? No girl could tell me blood clot nothing. Where? No weapon that form against me, and my marriage shall prosper. And every tongue that rises up against this lady here shall put a condemnation. All those tumble down upon them. Yeah, man. But two things I talk about mainly today. One, please, drivers, please take on the time on the road. Me I beg on to do. Please preserve life. Be safe on the road. You're not in a rush. Please. Two, respect yourself, value yourself. Don't let nobody dictate to you and make nobody come talk over your life and make nobody curse you. Choose the right lane and go on it. Your life may not start off good, but it can go good or end good. This is your girl Tima. Like, share, and subscribe. Love and unity, positivity. Leave your past behind you and look for a brighter future. Love each other. Love thy neighbor as thy love thyself. Respect and uplift woman. Not talk some and then tear down some. That don't make no sense. So, this is your girl T-Mar. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Like the video. Like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Love you all. Mwah. Have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.